I'm Dr. Stu, I'm a board certified family medicine, sports medicine doctor. In this video, I'm excited to teach you a technique called as the breath count meditation. So this is something that I learned from Dr. Andrew Weil when I visited University of Arizona. So thanks to Andrew Weil for teaching me this technique. So without further ado, let's get started. So let me explain this technique. So basically, we're not going to influence our breathing by any means. So what we're going to do is that we're going to pay attention to our breathing. So basically, we're going to pay attention to the air going in and the air coming out. So let's say that when we pay attention to the first breath, when the air comes out, we count as 1. Then we focus on the next breath. When the air comes out, then we say 2. Again, we focus on the third breath. So basically air going in and then the air comes out, then we say 3. So basically once we count from 1 to 5, then we restart the cycle again back from 1 to 5. So let us say at any point, if you start to get dragged away by your thoughts, and then what happens is that you probably forget the count that you were keeping. So in that case, you will restart back to number 1 and then count all the way to 5. Now let us do it together. So you're going to see me performing this technique. So basically I'm going to count out loud just for the sake of this video, but basically for you, you can just count it on your head. So this is a great way of starting a meditation journey. So what you'll notice is that, so let us say you're focusing on the breath counting meditation. So let us say I'm counting at 2. So then I might have a thought that comes and says that, you didn't read this article yet, right? So basically what I'm trying to do is that I'm actually acknowledging that thought, but still kind of like focusing on the breath. So basically still I might be counting from, my breath and saying like might be 3 and then might be 4 or so. So think about there's a rushing river with a lot of twigs and branches. So basically what you're trying to do is that you're trying to slow down the river. Thereby you can look at the twigs and branches non-judgmentally. But sometimes the river might have so much force that can drag you, right? So what that happens is that you might get carried away by one thought. For example, that, you know what, I didn't read that article. Oh my God. So if I don't read the article, then how am I going to teach my medical students today? So now I got carried away by my thoughts and now I've lost my count of meditation completely. So once you start to realize that, I've got carried away, then you again refocus back on the breath count. So maybe you start from again 1 and then go all the way to 5. So what happens is that initially, as you start to practice meditation, it might be too often that you might get carried away by the rushing thoughts. But as you start to practice more and more, you start to get better and you can actually help you to be balanced all the time. I've had a lot of patients who have prescribed meditation for their anxiety, depression, their chronic pain, and they've been able to wean off the medication slowly. I've had patients with arthritis who are able to lower their pain medication slowly too. The amount of time that you can practice on meditation is totally dependent on your time schedule. If your time allows only 5 to 10 minutes every day, then practice 5 to 10 minutes every day. I hope you found this video helpful. If you really did, can you please hit the like button so that this video can reach more people? So if you're interested in different breathing techniques such as the 4-7-8 breathing technique or the box breathing, then check out this video here and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.